Afterwards, we asked him, you know, what went through your mind when you lined up on a marlin with a reel gun?
Last afternoon dive, water's cleaned up, southwesters come through, looking real beautiful.
Looks awesome, bro. We've been waiting for a week for some blue water, and the south pushed in yesterday. I think we've got the best conditions we've had so far.
I turn the camera on, I dive down, and it's this mammoth black marlin.
Oh my goodness!
No way!
Move your way to the side. 3.
I have!
That is insane! I can't believe what I've just witnessed, bro. On a reel gun.
On a reel gun!
That was the one fish that made the trip, really.